Every dream space starts with an idea. Designing your home, office, or business should feel inspiring, not complicated. With Zlendo Realty, anyone can bring ideas to life, easily and beautifully. Zlendo Realty is your beginner-friendly design app. Simple, powerful, and made for everyone. Start by creating your 2D floor plan, laying the foundation for your space. With just a tap, bring it to life by converting it into a stunning 3D design. From there, customize layouts, furniture, and colors to match your vision. Step inside with a 360-degree walkthrough to experience your design in real scale. Then, render it in lifelike 4K detail for a true-to-reality view. Want to see it in your own environment? Use AR and MR to visualize it instantly. For added creativity, get AI-powered inspiration. Also, Vastu guidance to refine your space. And throughout the process, track real-time cost estimations so your dream design stays within budget. No design knowledge? No problem. Zlendo Realty makes designing easy, fast, and fun for everyone. Whether it's your first home, a creative studio, or your next business venture, Zlendo Realty helps you design spaces that reflect your vision and purpose. Start building your dream space today with Zlendo Realty.